Here is everything you need to make your period care, your down there care, much easier. All of these things I use when it comes to down there care, and then half of the things are specifically for period care, which I feel like is super important. And sometimes maybe it's a little uncomfortable to talk about, so I'm here to burst that bubble. And these are the things that are in my routine that do make it a lot easier for me. Before we get into it, this is a twist out that turned out really well from using Aussie products, which are super affordable. They have a curl line. I just did a short on it recently, and probably in the future I'll do a longer video. Face and makeup and all that is from Makeup by Mario. I finally found my winter shade, or so I think. After this, you can go and check that video to see how that whole process went. So let's hop right in. I'm gonna start off with, I don't have it in my hand because why would I have it in my hand? I don't think y'all need to see it. But every time Enflo comes into town, I go with a menstrual cup. I've used it for years. You've seen it on the channel before. You've even seen when I tried out a period cup that had a little valve where you could squeeze it and then basically empty the cup throughout the day. Looking back, that is so fascinating. That product doesn't exist anymore, but what a journey. That was actually really cool and there was less mess, but I digress. I use a Diva cup. Everyone has different shapes and sizes of their bodies. So some people love the Diva cups, some people don't, and they use different options. So you gotta find the one that is best for you. Now, when I have my period at nighttime, I always use reusable pads. And I also use the reusable pads on days where I'm just gonna be home and I don't really need to go out or anything like that. And I feel more comfortable just wearing that. These are the reusable pads that I use. I got them on Amazon. The brand is A Snappy, I believe. They are nice and large, which is really great. And I like the shape that they have so that they round out so that it covers more space on the top and bottom. So it's not just like a straight pad going through because everyone has different shapes for them. I love this so much. It is charcoal absorbency fleece on this side. There's also like some sort of pad material inside as well. And then on the back, it is waterproof. There's also snaps as well that you can adjust. There's two of them here. They lay like so in your underwear and then you are good to go. You can also fold them up if you want them to be a little bit smaller as you are carrying them on the go. It would look a little something like this. And then they also give you a little travel bag so it can be concealed. Really, really, really like these. I did a whole video on them in the past. I wear like a runner short to sleep when I have my period. The inside shorts are spandexy and they're tighter to your body. And my effort to protect against any leaks, like I said, I'm a wild sleeper. I like to wear something that's form-fitting as well as having the pad so we're locked in. If you're someone that worries a little bit extra about leaking overnight, you should definitely consider trying that out. Since they're reusable, you know, I don't want to have them soiled and then just put them right with my laundry. That's a big no-no. Please don't do that. Please, 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 please. Don't do that. In my last video, I mentioned with reusable pads that I would rinse them out and I would soak them in, you know, a little detergent or something like that. And then eventually I would put them in the laundry. Well, I went a step further now and I found a soap bar. So that's the next thing on this list. This is a citrus laundry soap bar. I found it on Amazon and it comes with two of them. I can just kind of pop it up right here so you can see there's two bars that come in the pack, which is great. So you can use this bar of soap for hand washing your reusable pads. You can also make a soapy solution and then soak the pads in a bowl. And going further, I haven't tried this yet, but you could apparently shred the bar a bit and then that could become your laundry detergent. My current system is that after I have a pair that are soiled, I will rinse it out continuously like so, just to get as much fluid out as I can. Then what I'll do is that I'll go in with the soap bar and I will lather it up and then use that to clean the pads. Kind of keep rinsing out till the water runs clear. Then what I'll do is I will hang that up to dry. Once I've gathered all my pads, I will then put these in the laundry. When I'm actually doing laundry, I put all of my pads in there. I zip it up and then I will wash and I will dry these because they can handle the dryer. Whole point of that is that you are cleaning the pad itself completely of anything before you actually put it in the wash with your other clothes. If you have your own washer and dryer, you could probably like wash it on its own. I love it for you. I don't have my own, so I want to do most of the washing. I want it all clear by hand washing it, and then I throw it into my laundry for good measure. These little ditty bags are great. I got like a set of, I don't know, maybe 5 or 6 from Amazon. I want to get them as clean and sanitized as possible since I am using them and using them so intimately. I also on occasion will use what I call like a light day. For me, the goal originally was to not use any type of product like this, but I haven't come across like a light days small thin reusable pad. So I'll use these on like the last day when it's like just a little bit and I don't want to put like the full cup in, or because I'm very active, I will use it when I have my cup in and I'm gonna be dancing or working out or something like that. Now it's great to have figured out, you know, your reusable pads and how to clean them, but what about you, yourself, and your body? So moving on to how I care for the down there area when it comes to daily routine. But specifically, also here's what I do when I have my period. I use the brand Love Wellness. Their down there care products are amazing. I've been using it for over a year now, and I just think it's really awesome that there is a brand that hones in on this specific area of care. First up, we've got the pH balancing wipes. These are individual fragrance-free wipes. I think they're in a different color bag than the one I have now, so don't get confused. It's the same thing. I think it's like either purple or pink bag, etc. They're made with clean ingredients. Again, to balance the pH, they've got aloe in it. It's good for sensitive skin. You can use these to clean up when you're changing your cup, or if you have any leaks, a hot day out. Like honestly, it's not just strictly period care, it's just down there care in general. Every time I'm showering, I am using the cleanser. So this is a vulva cleanser, same as the wipes, but in a cleanser form. No scent to it, there's no stinging. I have not had any reaction with it. And it's just, again, to clean and maintain that area, you know, help with odor, things like that. Another one that I use is the spray. So this is an intimate support spray. It's an antimicrobial skin cleanser. It helps to relieve itch. It's soothing that area. It's helping to control odor. This type of spray is removing bacteria from that area that would commonly lead to UTI. In general, I use these every day, and these two specifically are easy to carry on the go. Now, in addition to that, if you want to go a little bit further, we think about the inside out and working on that. Love Wellness also has probiotics. So this one, as you can hear, it's nothing left because I used it all. This is the Love Wellness Good Girl Probiotics. It's specifically focused on maintaining vaginal and urinary tract health. So it's got a bunch of the probiotics that are focused on that area. You just take one a day, super easy. Third-party tested, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, vegan, and they are sugar-free. Just something to consistently, again, work on that health from the inside out. And then staying with Love Wellness, because they're just about that life, I want to share two new things that I started incorporating into my daily routine that are especially helpful during the time of the month. Love Wellness came out with these new dissolving quick strips. So they're basically supplements, but instead of it being a pill form, it's actually in the form of a melt strip. So think like, in my eyes at least, Listerine strips that you just put on your tongue. Gets to the bloodstream faster and gets things moving and working. They did let me choose which ones I would be interested in, and so I got 4 of them out of, I think, the line of 6. So the 2 that I think are really helpful around this time of the month are the urinary tract one and the bloat one. So the urinary tract one is actually a cranberry fruit extract. So we know in general that cranberry is very good for that urinary tract support. So this is the same idea, but it's in an extract form. We don't have to worry about it being hopped up with sugar because it's sugar-free. This is also vegan, cruelty-free. I love this little case that you get. It's easy to carry on the go. You get 15 individual strips. So they're in little packets like this. Put it on your tongue, wait for it to dissolve before swallowing. It dissolves in less than 30 seconds. It is super easy. And you also only need 1 a day for all of these. Now for the bloat melt strip, this one contains mint, fennel, and caraway, all good things that are going to aid in your digestive support. I took this the other day. I was super bloated after something that I ate. It's fast dissolving, but it's also fast acting. I'd say within the hour I was back to normal, which is great. I was burping a bit, which to me is a good sign. I just felt like that means that we're working on that gas. We got to release it. And finally, I just wanted to also mention these Glow Baby pads. So this is going to be really great for lightening those dark scars. I use it on my face, but I also use it on my bikini area, past ingrowns, hyperpigmentation, etc. So this is a 10% AHA and BHA pad. AHAs are alpha hydroxy acid. These are chemical exfoliants that are going to help in resurfacing that skin, that cell turnover, to lessen those dark marks and kind of start brightening them up. I use these in general every day on my bikini area, but I'll use them every other night for my face just because it can be, 10% is pretty high. If you were to use these during the day on your face, you would need sunscreen, of course. But anyway, I just wanted to toss that in there. If you're like, well, by the way, what about like dark marks on your bikini area? I hope that this video was helpful. Ultimately, when it comes to period care and down there care, I just really like finding products that are just going to help it be less messy, that are going to work on odor, itch, just cleanliness, caring properly, because it is important. It is an intimate area. Let's have a conversation down below. What are your go-to products for your period care? What's in that daily routine? I'm going to share links to everything down below if you're curious. I'm also going to share some alternative brands for reusable pads, other things that are out there that are worth trying out. Thank y'all as always for watching. watching. Hype this video up if it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.